Hi there, this is a video tutorial on how to use my grocery shopping list and budget spreadsheet. This is a simple spreadsheet to use if you'd like to calculate your budget, how much you actually spent on your groceries, and to keep track of what you need for the week. This spreadsheet is completely editable and printable. All right, so let's get started. All right, at the top, we're going to put the date in. You can double click in there and choose your date. Budget, you can highlight this and change your budget to whatever you'd like. And then spent, this number adds up everything that's in the total cost for the pink columns. And then store, if you want to put in your favorite store, you can put that as well. Okay, to the categories, you've got bakery, produce, dry goods, dairy, refrigerated, meat, personal care, household, and other. These headings are completely customizable, so if you don't like what I've got, just change it, not a big deal. So let's go down to other. We're going to double click in the cell, highlight it, and say we want a section for just baby. And that's it. You just change it and make it to whatever you want it to be. And then we'll go to the top and I'll show you how this works. Okay, so say we're in the bakery deli section and we want to get wheat bread. So we're going to just type that in there. We need, let's say 2 loaves. Say we think it's going to be $4, and the actual cost is $8. And then once you have it, you can just check it off. Pretty easy. And then we also have to where if you want to print this out, you go File, Print, Current Sheet. It would look like this, fit to width. If you did normal, it would be a little funky, so just do it fit to width. And then you could do portrait, and then it would do long ways, and it would print out a lot better. Make sure to uncheck those boxes before you print it out, and that way you can write everything down. So that's it, guys. If you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in the description below to purchase this spreadsheet. This is part of a larger spreadsheet that I've got of a planner for everything. So that's why you see all these other tabs at the bottom. All right, guys, have a good day. Thanks. Bye.